Have you ever heard the statement that you can feel alone even when you're surrounded by so many people? It was kind of like that. Even though I had people around to talk to every day, I didn't really feel like I had anybody that I could personally open up and relate to. I grew up in Chesaning, Michigan, but I went to school in a nearby village. A really small town. My graduating class was 52 students. Everybody knows everybody. It was kind of a catch-22. It was nice because you knew everybody, but at the same time, it was bad because you knew everybody. So if you weren't particularly liked, or if there was a rumor going around, everybody knew about it in literally half an hour. I don't remember when it started, but I do remember being in the thick of it. I just felt really, down about myself, and I didn't like going to school, and when I went home, I wanted to be at school and vice versa. People would make fun of my appearance, the way I looked, the way I acted. I would get excluded from events. I lost interest in all of my favorite activities. I really just wanted to be accepted, and I wasn't getting that from my peers, and so I felt like something was missing or something was wrong with me. There would be some days where I would just say, oh, I have to go to the bathroom, and I'd just leave school for the day and go somewhere. Why bother about my grades? Why are they important? And so I just kind of let them slip to the wayside. The hardest part about dealing with bullying and depression and things like that was I never really told anybody. So my parents were completely in the dark about it until my senior year of high school. And I kind of just kept it inside. And looking back, it was a very bad idea because I really could have done something about it, but I just kind of let it happen to me. And I just remember getting really angry about it. I was like, I'm so sick of this. I don't want to do this anymore. I need to change this.
You could just
I talked to my parents about it, and I went to counseling and things like that, and I improved a lot. I realized that I do have a choice of how I make myself feel, and it wasn't necessarily what my peers think of me, but what I think of myself. And once I figured that out, I was like, it gave me this ability to do something about it because, it's my problem now. The summer before I came here, I decided to do a summer program to kind of get to know people because I wasn't going to be that same person I was in high school. I was going to be outgoing. I was going to be what I really felt like I was supposed to be. And I got here and, oh my gosh, it was amazing. And I had friends, and I was really interested in what I was studying, and things were just amazing, and it's been great since. Engineering is really what I love to do. It's about solving problems, it's about thinking in new ways. So I'm involved in a couple of student organizations. I do the American Society of Civil Engineers, and I'm on the board for that. I'm also in Chi Epsilon, which is the Civil Engineering Honor Society. I do alternative spring break, and I'm taking a group out to Baltimore in March. I'm working on a video game with computer science students. I'm their concept development artist, and I've been working on that, and we're almost done, so things are going good with that. The best thing to do is to really just advocate that it is okay to have depression, because when I was in it, I felt like something was wrong with me and I couldn't share that with anybody. If you have parents and family, it's a support system, and you should take advantage of something like that. You shouldn't be ashamed that things aren't necessarily going the way you want them to. And I think if I had chosen to not do anything about it, to stay a victim in my depression, I would not be here today. This is the first time I've actually done the poster. I missed the last two poster things. This has meant a lot to me, guys.
I'm glad you could be part of this group experience.
Me too, me too.